It was in the month of May that she first came my way. She took me to my great surprise, like a wildfire in the summer. I could hardly stand her heat. Her smoke was all that I could breathe. Green eyes, the blink of her green eyes held me captive, and I never wanted to be free. We started out as friends, soon to become lovers. It began as well as any, and it ended up in flames. By the time I knew what happened, there was no way of returning. She had me in her clutches, and there I would remain. Now the good times, they were numbered. The bliss did not withstand, for jealousy and rage was her heart's demand. Green eyes, the blink of her green eyes held me captive, and I never wanted to be free. Well, rather than confess, she fed me bitter lies. I choked as I swallowed the rotten fruit of our demise. She had my heart in her hands, shackles on my feet, those chains I did break, and I took my heart with me. Now the painful fog is lifted, I'm able to see it clearly. Only a part of me is saying that I do it differently. Green eyes, the blink of her green eyes held me captive, and I never wanted to be free.